Good evening, friends. So you can see in my rooftop, I have placed three solar panels. These are 400 watt solar panels and 48 volt. So you can see three panels are there. So and I connected all these three solar panels in series. So it makes almost 120 volt or 150 volts, something like that. And for better production, I try to clean this regular basis. And this is my test bench setup, you can see here. So two Victron MPPT solar chargers are there. uh, and I used to test the gear. I have set up this thing, and you can see that one, the left is basically I am mainly using, and right I am not using. This is the inverter which basically providing the load for my electricity. So these are few gadgets I have connected. So this is the input of the PB, and these are the output, and these outputs are all connected in these two junctions. So from, and then it's come to Victron shunt, as you can see here, and from there it's go to the battery. So these two were go to the battery. There is the battery. So currently it's a 24 volt setup, you can see. So these are two different batteries I have built previously, and this is the Raspberry Pi. So, and this is a 24 volt, which basically I am using it to generate the power to powering the Raspberry Pi and the Airtel. And this is a Victron cutoff device, low voltage cutoff from there. So output is going to the inverter, and from the lower portion of the inverter, the AC is, and I am using the PS 3000 inverter. It's almost 2 years old, but it's working well in my here. So you can see 220 volt AC is producing, and battery voltage is 26.6. And the AC is I am connected with my to the electric battery. And also it's a 24 hours. I kept it on the, you can see the Airtel dongle also I have placed to connect the Victron system. Thank you guys.